Alright. So, time check, it's... What's the time? 7:16 Singapore
In Singapore.
time. And we're here now to unbox his very first... Ano to?
Bear brick.
Bear brick.
Small bear brick.
Where are we?
Where are we?
Current location.
Let's see.
Okay, Garden Bay, no?
Gardens by the Bay.
Gardens by the Gardens by the Bay. So, unboxing. Ay, wait lang. Ano mo gusto mo makuha muna?
Philippine flag, huh?
Philippine flag.
We'll never know.
Let's see. Da-da-da-da! Unboxing! Kinagat.
What's this?
What's inside?
Oh, what's this? I don't know this.
Ano yan?
Hindi ko alam.
Anong pangalan niya? Meron dun, di ba?
Ito.
Sino yan?
Hindi ko alam.
Ano yan? Ha?
Ito mabasa eh.
Oh, wait lang. Ako magbabasa. Hindi ko rin mabasa eh. Artist. Artist nga ba? Artist. Oo, artist. Patingin. Yes.
Do you know
What time? Maybe around 8. Before 8 o'clock. Yeah.
Okay. That's it.
Eh, what's inside?
I don't know what this is.
Ano yan?
Hindi ko alam eh.
May pa-surprise pa rin. Lahat na lang is surprise.
Baka parang stand lang to. Stand.
Ano yan?
Sticker.
Ano yan?
Kasi hawak ka.
Eh, huwag ka magkalat.
Hindi tayo magkakaroon.
Mga pagka nagdilim-dilim na ng konti yan. Usually 8 o'clock ang madilim eh. Oo.
Card.
Ano yan?
Sticker.
Sticker?
Parang card ng artist.
Oo nga. Parang may disappointment. Okay lang. Better luck next time. Eh, mahal din yan eh. Magkano yan?
$8.
$8. Scary naman to. Sabi mo, joker. O, pwede naman.
It's okay.
Alright.
Balik natin.
Balik natin. Hindi natin nakuha yung Philippine flag.
Next time daw.
Alright. Yun lang, guys. Bye. Okay ka na.
Bye.